What happens if you swallow a cough drop? Menthol poisoning, facts and figure. One common solution is to take cough drops to take relief temporarily. But in some cases, instead of sucking it slowly, it is suddenly swallowed by a patient who fearfully asked, "What happens if you swallow a cough drop?" A cough drop is a small medicated tablet, planned to be liquefied slowly in the mouth to temporarily control cough and soothe upset tissues of the throat. The throat may be disturbed by the common cold or influenza. What ingredient cough drop made of? It is prepared by different compounds like benzocaine, eucalyptus oil, and menthol made of peppermint and mint oil. The purpose of the throat lozenge is to soothe the irritation that may be sensed in the throat while swallowing, breathing, or even drinking specific fluids. What long do a cough drop last? Normally a person can use it after every 2 hours, but it depends on your need and the doctor's advice. It is your doctor who decides how often or for longer you can use it. What long do hulls of cough drops last after expiration date? The expiry date on the medicine is not the date when the medicine becomes harmful or dangerous to health. 90% of drugs are proven to be effective even after the 10 years of their expiry. Can cough drops get moldy? It is a sugar bloom. This will be risky for your health. Does menthol expire? Most menthol cough drops do not change their shape, taste, or effectiveness even after 3 years of expiry. The best way to use medicine is to discard expired medicines. What happens if accidentally swallow a cough drop? But for children, it may be harmful if choked in the esophagus. For adults, it will cause some stomach upset, nausea, and vomiting if you eat more than normal. Is it bad to swallow whole cough drops? Instead of swallowing it as a whole, it is better to dissolve it slowly in the mouth. It is specially designed to keep in the mouth for a long time. What amount of cough drop can kill you? These significant cough drops may be fatal if overdosed. 500 to 1000 milligrams of menthol/kg of body weight is considered to be dangerous. Simply, if a man has 150 pounds, 68 kilograms weight, more than 6,800 cough drops of 10 milligrams menthol in each is enough to kill him. What are the symptoms if you overdose cough drops? If you eat too many cough drops in a short period, you may face the following problems. Stomach ache. How to protect from menthol poisoning. If a person is a diabetic patient, he should avoid cough drops with sweetness. Sugar-free varieties of cough drops are also available. But ingesting too many of them can have laxative effects, especially due to sugar substitute sorbitol. You should keep it out of reach of children. They think that it is candy and try to engulf them, which may block their air passage. Frequently asked questions. Do cough drops break up mucus? But for it, you should take a strong cough drop. This menthol vapor can help you to loosen up and break up the mucus in your nose lining and your throat. How long does it take a cough drop to dissolve? The cough drops dissolve in about 10 to 15 minutes. It creates mild tingles in your salivary gland that help to produce more saliva. How many cough drops can make you high? A safe dose of products with DXM is usually 15 to 30 mg, mg, within 24 hours. It usually takes additional than 10 times, 30-10 equals 300 mg is the quantity to cause you high. Bottom lines. Accidental uptake has no harmful effect, but engulfing too many medicines can show its side effects like stomach pain, vomiting, or diarrhea is also called menthol poisoning. You may protect yourself from menthol poisoning by using non-menthol cough drops, or by simply gargling with salt water which comforts your sore throat.